she is. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, was that blood? Look at already bleeding. Oh, terrible. I guess we're not working unless we're bleeding, guys. Shit. Jeez, honest, man. This is a bitch, guys. If my son was here, he would have said, "Daddy, swear words." Sorry, Hameen. Sorry, Hameen. Oh, we broke something, you guys. What am I doing wrong here? Toyota's amazing. What's up, you guys? Today we get the first full look at the jalopy. It is a 2008 Toyota Highlander, limited edition of the assortments. It's got all the necessary rock chips. It's got all the paint that shouldn't be there, right? Some Bondo shouldn't be there. Got nice wheels. It's got the scuffs, necessary scuffs. The broken taillights. Broken taillights. As we are here, assessing the broken taillights. See what we can get done. That's all off. Look at that. Woo! We're getting somewhere, guys. We are getting somewhere. As long as nothing breaks, right? Uh-oh. Hey. There you go, breaking stuff now. I'm already breaking stuff. I think I'm gonna need to take that apart. This, and this. Uh-oh. Hey. Back here. I don't want to lose you, bud. Huh? What is that? Alright, screwdriver right there. Okay. Put that right there. Oof. These off, put these right here. Uh-oh, lost the screw. That's never good. I usually like to put them back in the spot they came from. Oh, I think I hear it. Let's see if I can get it. There she is, look at that. Beautiful. Okay, was that blood? Look at already bleeding. Oh, terrible. I guess we're not working unless we're bleeding, guys. Shit. Okay. Oh, it's those things. Those clippy clips. Let's see if we can unclip it. Unclip it. Come on, trick. There we go. Look at that. Sometimes all it takes is a little prod tool. I gotta put this camera away, guys. That's that side. There's one. There's top and bottom. And inside. Okay. What am I doing wrong here? I think this is too big. Let's go. This one. This one. Hand tight, you guys. Didn't even need any tools, just a socket. See that? Screw it on the other one so we don't lose it. It's already broken, huh, guys? Looks like it's coming. Yep, it's coming, but I don't want to. I think it's because they got hit. That's what I think. Scheiße. My geyser. Does it come with the plugs? No. Again. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is great. Oh, we broke something, you guys. It's getting stopped by something. Remember when I said we need to put the nuts back on? I forgot they're on there. Let's take them off and continue before we end up breaking something again. Stupid. One. Laugh. Write down in the comments if that made you laugh out loud. Made me. I did not laugh out loud, I'm not gonna lie. Now I am. I was looking right at him too. That's funny. There we go. That feels a lot better. Now it fits. Sheesh. Looks good too. Toyota's amazing. Cheese and rice, man. This is a bitch, guys. If my son was here, he would have said, "Daddy, swear words." Sorry, Hameen. Sorry, Hameen. Let me fix you guys up real quick. We do this, getting pretty hot, might turn off. Do this, oh, wrong way, flip it around. These GoPros, man. Is that better angle, you guys? Huh? You can see everything? Thought you'd like it. Oh, no, wait a second. Wait a second. Oh, that's a little bit better. Hold on. Hold on a second. Hold on, you guys. Okay, don't kill me. Okay, don't kill me, guys. There, that's better, right? There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's see, right here, here. Cool. We can see everything. Let's put it down a little bit more. There we go. There you go, guys. No, it's fine. That nut. Oh, thank God, right there. Don't lose your nuts, guys. Okay? Okay. Let's put this side back together. And this piece didn't come with the car, so I don't know what to do.